Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Most of you have already watched the famous song Halka Halka from movie Fanney Khan, and Aishwarya Rai looked absolutely gorgeous as usual. Today I am going to show you a tutorial for Aishwarya Rai inspired look from song Halka Halka. Before I start today's video, please take a minute to subscribe to my channel to motivate me to work on more videos. Also comment below because your opinion and suggestion is valuable. Click on the bell icon to stay ahead and watch my videos as soon as they are up on YouTube. I am coming every week with new videos. Now let's start. First I applied concealer on my dark circle area and the places I wanted to highlight. I don't want to tell you any particular brand today. You can buy absolutely any brand and color that suits you. I just mentioned what I used in this video. Now I am applying foundation on my whole face and blending them. After that I am drawing my eyebrow with dark brown powder. Be careful though, you don't wanna draw thicker brow because Aishwarya's eyebrows are pretty slim. Now applying gold eyeshadow on my eyelid and the copper color at the corner of my eyelid. It will give an impression of a bigger eye, like Aishwarya. Now using brown powder to draw the outline of my nose. My nose is obviously different than hers, so I cannot skip this step. To get the similar look of Aishwarya's signature eye makeup, we need to follow few steps. On the right side, I'm showing the normal way I draw eyeliner for my eye, which is actually following my eye. On the left side, I'm showing how to draw eyeliner to get Aishwarya's big eye, which I don't have. I will follow the red line under the puffy area to make my eyes bigger like her. That will give an impression of a bigger and roundish eye like her. Clearly, my outlines are far from my actual eye. In green line, I am showing how I am going to draw the eyeliner for this look. You can see I am doing exactly what I just explained. I am using black gel eyeliner here. Here I am repeating the same thing for the other eye. To cover up the gaps between, I am just blending it with black eyeliner. Now using darker copper eyeshadow powder to follow the red line I talked about. The contour should be diagonal from middle of the cheek to your eyebrow level. Normally I apply towards my ear, but for this look it would be higher. Now defining my jawline with darker shade. And also the chin line like her. We all know we need to smile to apply blush on our cheeks. That way there is less chance of making mistake. Now highlighting under my eyebrow, on my nose and the places which should look brighter than the rest. Using shimmering powder on my face to highlight, I am using silver shade for this look. Now drawing the outline to mimic her lip. It should be thicker because her lips are pretty filled. I also wore fake lashes off camera, and this time I wore 2 of them in each eye. My hair is not long enough, so I had to fake it. I applied a temporary hair color for this look so that it will be easier to change whenever I want. So this is the complete look I got. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. You can also curl your hair if you like. I was doing my makeup at 2 AM, so didn't feel like doing it. So this is the background story no YouTuber will tell you. If you liked my work, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel to support me. Also click on bell icon to get the updates and stay ahead, because I am coming with new videos every week and you don't want to miss out, right? Please let me know how you liked this tutorial in the comment section below. Also suggest me for my new videos. Hope you have a great day ahead. See you soon in my next video. Stay tuned. Bye.